In this video, I will show you how to download YouTube app on PC. Now, to get started, you do need to use Google Chrome to do this. So if you do use a different browser like Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge, what you want to do is first of all download Google Chrome. And once you've done that, you want to open up a new Google Chrome browser. What you can then do is navigate to youtube.com. And from here, you want to come up to the top right hand corner of YouTube, click onto the three dots. And from this menu that comes up, you want to come down to the cast, save and share option. You're going to see on this sub menu, there is an option to install YouTube. Give that a click and a window is going to pop up asking if you want to install this app. What you want to do is click the install button, and what it's going to do is actually install YouTube as its own separate app on your computer or laptop. So if we actually close this down, I'm going to come back to my desktop. You can now see we've got the YouTube app installed. When we double click this, it's going to automatically open up YouTube instead of opening this up through an internet browser. So that's how to download YouTube app on PC. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more simple YouTube and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.